Dream, the faceless content creator with insane mining and crafting skills, is making waves on the internet once again as he is planning to reveal his face today. But before we get to see what he really looks like, I'm going to show you who I believe is behind the mask. Number 1. Jacob Sartorius. When was the last time you've heard of Jacob Sartorius? Yeah, it's been a while, hasn't it? I believe during this period of ambiguity, he has created the greatest Minecraft empire on YouTube since Dan Minecraft. Now, take a look at this image of Dream's hair and this selfie of Jacob Sartorius and tell me this isn't the same person. Number 2. Jonesy. Fortnite Battle Royale, a sprawling 100-player arena where the last person standing wins, is also the antithesis to Minecraft. Throughout the years, these two games have been battling for the spot of number 1. But you know the phrase, and so do I. If you can't beat him, join him. What I believe is that Jonesy fell into the 0 point and went to the Minecraft universe to become Dream and take the game out from the inside. Truly shocking. Number 3. Clarence. I don't know about you, but the blonde hair and the green shirt is really reminding me of a special someone. Clarence from Cartoon Network is also in a trio. Seem familiar? This signifies that Dream, Sapnap, and George Not Found all originate from the Clarence universe. Whoever Dream may be, we will finally know in the next few hours. Until then, I will see you later.
I wear a mask with a smile for